suffering and unhappiness, and it's all over much too quick. The question is...
Oh, hey there. Somehow my camera was just magically placed in the perfect position on my desk and it was recording. What are the chances? Huh. But anyway, I'm just sitting here editing. Who's that ugly boy? I didn't realize how much I enjoy editing in the shop of my office. It's not very nice and it doesn't have Wi-Fi here, so I don't edit it here very often, but it's really quiet, it's really peaceful, especially with it snowing outside. Oh, snowing outside. Today is just gonna be a quick little video doing a little modification to Molly. As many of you guys know, Molly does have vinyl side stripes and they are awesome. I love the side stripes. I think it makes my car a little bit more unique than, you know, some turbo Miatas. Put the little twist on it and I really like it. Just like I really like that coffee. A lot of you guys ask where I got those side stripes, and the answer is I have no idea. The side stripes actually came with the car. The previous owner had bought them but never put them on because he thought they looked tacky. But then I put them on and they looked really good, so sucks for the last owner. But I will say, when I installed them, I didn't really install them right. I kind of positioned them in the wrong position and I had to cut them short and some other stuff, and I had to use electrical tape to make sure they held down and some other crap. You don't really notice it in videos or pictures, but it's there. So today, we are installing new side stripes. We're also going to be installing a awesome windshield banner. I've really wanted to run a windshield banner on one of my cars. I've never ran one before, and I think they look pretty good. I got in contact with an awesome guy from Europe. He's got a website where he makes a bunch of vinyl stuff for Miatas. He makes side stripes, he makes windshield banners, he makes decals, logos, he makes pretty much everything. He sent me out a bunch of really awesome stuff. New side stripes. We also made a custom windshield banner. The windshield banner has my signature in it. Like I wrote a signature and then it has my little YouTube channel thing. So I think it looks really awesome. I'm really excited to get it installed. Huge thanks to Tom MX5 for making the windshield banner and the side stripes for Molly and a bunch of the other stuff that he made. The really cool thing is that he's actually a fan. So when I contacted him, he was super down to help and it was really awesome. He actually made a discount code for you guys. So if you want to get side stripes or windshield banners, he's got so many options. Check the link in the description down below. You can get 15% off your order by using the code Gingium. Everything on his website is already a really good price, so go check it out if you've ever wanted side stripes. Now, I'm not going to install the side stripes because I messed it up last time. Vinyl's kind of tricky if you don't really know what you're doing, and I don't. But there is actually a vinyl installation place actually in this same unit of buildings right here. So we're gonna go ahead and drop Molly off in a couple of minutes, and then after that, I'm gonna put Molly in the garage and not drive her for a couple of months. That's not true. I'm gonna drive her, I'm sure, a couple of times. I don't have the restraint to never drive my car in winter, but if I ever do drive it in winter, I have to wash it right away because of the salt here. That's the only thing I don't like about winter. I love snow, but I hate it destroying my cars. So anyway, let's go ahead and drop Molly off. So many stickers. Window banner, side stripes. I don't know what this is. Last time I went here, I was in the Subaru. Rip Stacy. I kind of like the cold weather, actually. It's nice. Hopefully they install everything right. I don't want them to like look at the current side stripes and be like, oh, that's how I'm supposed to install it. Because it's not. Because, well, I'm hoping they can figure it out. I'm gonna go ahead and get back to editing. I will get back to you guys when the car is finished. It's 40 degrees outside. I'm dressing like it's 4, but that's okay. Oh, I see him. That's sick. The side stripes look great. I mean, they're side stripes, same thing as last time, but a different logo, which I like much more. It's the original Mazda logo. It used to say like MX-5 Plus now. There's no bubbles in it, and it goes all the way from the front to the back, and it actually curves around each fender. I'm digging the window banner. I like it because it's super minimal. From here, you can barely even see it. And it's got a negative cutout of my signature. I will say the signature is kind of, well, there's lots of really small parts, so it kind of starts to peel up. Headlights aren't on because I stole the headlight fuse from this car for the Rally Miata. I've been doing a lot of thinking as to what I want to do with the exterior wise of this car with the new motor setup, and I've made my decisions. It's going to be awesome. I don't want to spoil it too much, but everything's going to be functional. It's still going to be clean and awesome. I'm really excited. The one thing I really like about this window banner is that it's not too tall. I mean, it's about the size of my hand. It's actually pretty small. But then the nice thing is that when you're inside, I still have a really good visibility. Miata windshields are pretty small, so when you put a windshield banner on it, it makes it smaller, but right here, plenty of view. It's actually bigger than the sun visors, so it acts as a sun visor as well, which is nice. So, oh hey, look. Mazda. See, that's the original logo. So that's really awesome. I don't really have much else for you guys today. Just a quick little video. I'm definitely sad that I can't really drive the car anymore. Winter's here, salt's here. Don't really want to ruin it. Huge thank you again to Tom MX5. If you want any decals or side stripes or windshield banner, check the link in the description down below. Hey son, can you not? If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you didn't enjoy this video, give it a dislike. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out and goodbye.